Hello everyone and welcome to our productivity-focused channel. Today, we're taking a slightly different, yet just as crucial, path. We're going to talk about failure. Yes, you heard right. Failure. An experience we've all had at one point or another in our lives. But what is failure, really, and how can we leverage it to improve our productivity and our lives overall? Part 1. Failure. Failure can be a baffling, frustrating, and even scary experience. You've followed all the steps, applied all the techniques, and yet, you're not getting the results you expected. You may feel worthless, and you start to doubt your abilities. It's normal. It's human. But here's a truth you might not have considered. Failure is not the opposite of success, it's a part of success. I know this might sound strange. How can failure be a part of success? Well, let me explain. Part 2, Understanding Failure. Failure is actually a great teacher. It shows us what doesn't work, helps us to learn and grow. Without failure, we wouldn't know how to improve our techniques, how to build our resilience, how to persevere even when things get tough. So, how can we bounce back after a failure? How can we turn this failure into a learning and growth opportunity? Part 3, How to bounce back after failure. There are several steps we can follow to turn failure into success. 1. Acknowledge the failure. It's important to accept that you've failed. There's no need to hide it or deny it. This is the first step towards learning. 2. Understand the failure. Try to analyze the situation. What didn't work? What could you have done differently? This can help you see where you need to improve. 3. Learn from the failure. Every failure is an opportunity to learn something new. What have you learned from this experience? How can you apply it in the future? 4. Keep trying. Don't let failure stop you. It's important to keep trying, even if that means failing again. Remember, failure is a part of success. Conclusion. Remember, you're not alone. We've all experienced failures. But it's these failures that make us stronger and help us to grow. They allow us to build our resilience and perseverance, skills that are crucial for achieving our goals. And remember, failure is just a step on the path to success. Failure doesn't define who you are. What matters is what you do after failure. So the next time you feel frustrated or think that you've failed, remember, failure is not the end. It's the beginning of something new. And most importantly, never forget, no matter how many times you fall, you always have the opportunity to pick yourself up and keep moving forward. Thank you for joining us today. If you enjoyed this video, feel free to leave a comment, share it, and subscribe to our channel for more productivity tips. Remember, you have the ability to turn your failures into successes. And we're here to help you do it. Until next time.